Good morning all. Welcome back to the next session of online classes. Today, what is our subject? Yes, it is mathematics. And we are learning second lesson, right? In the last class, we have learned odd and even numbers, right? So, did you remember? Let's recap once again what are the odd numbers and even numbers. So, first I am writing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, in this, what are the even numbers? Did you remember? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So, these are the even numbers, right? Even numbers. Now the rest of the numbers 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 are odd numbers. Right? So now you know how to identify even numbers and odd numbers, right? So if I give a double digit number like 19 and 27, 34, 56, next 77. So what are the even numbers here? So 4 here, 6 here, right? So 4 and 6 comes even numbers. So 34 and 56 are even numbers, right? Now what are the leftover numbers? 9 here, 7 and again 7. So these are odd numbers. So 19, 27 and 77 are odd numbers, right? I think all of you understood this even numbers and odd numbers. Now the next topic is greater and smaller numbers. Greater number and smaller number. So how we can identify a greater number and a smaller number? Let's see one example. For example, Arun have 3 chocolates. Okay, Arun had 3 chocolates and his sister Meenakshi have 8 chocolates. So Arun have 3 chocolates and Meenakshi have 8 chocolates. Now who is having more chocolates? Either Arun or Meenakshi?
Meenakshi.
Yes, Meenakshi have more chocolates. How we can say Meenakshi is having more chocolates? So if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 numbers here. We find 3 is coming first and then 8 is next, right? So Meenakshi is having 8 chocolates, so it is more here, right? So 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a greater number. Right? So by seeing itself we can tell, because we know 1 to 10 numbers, immediately 3 is smaller, 8 is greater, so we can tell 8. Right? But if it is a double digit number, for example 91 and 49. So in this, what is a greater number? So we cannot count the numbers like this and we cannot tell which is smaller and which is greater. So now we learn how we can see this, which is smaller and which is greater. First we will see greater symbol. So for greater we will use a symbol like this. Okay, a symbol will be like this, and for smaller the symbol will be like this. Okay, for greater symbol is this one and smaller symbol is this one. Okay, now see, I said you 91 and 49. So now how we can find out which number is greater and which number is smaller? First we'll see, this is ones, right? Ones, tens, ones. So here we'll see tens place. Okay, tens place. Now see, 9 is the bigger number or 4 is a bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? 9. So 91 is a greater number and 49 is a smaller number. So 91 is greater than 49. Okay, 91 is greater than 49. Similarly, we can write it, 49 is smaller than 91. 49 is smaller than 91. Okay, now we have seen it, the double digit numbers, how we can find out greater and smaller number. Now I will give you a comparison of different digits. Okay, different digits. See, for example, find the greater and lesser numbers of 115, 115 and 89. So how we can find this? Okay, first thing, hundreds, tens, ones, 115. Okay, 89, tens, ones, hundreds. In hundreds place, in hundreds place, here nothing is there, but here 1 is there. So easily we can find out that 115 is greater than 89. Okay, because there is no hundreds, so we can easily tell here hundreds is there, so 115 is greater than 89. Okay, we'll see the next. Okay, next if we have the hundreds place also, like two numbers are having hundreds place, for example 160 and 150, 160 and 150. So we'll see here 160, hundreds, tens, ones. 150, hundreds, tens, ones. So both are having hundreds here. Now how can we identify the greater number and the small number? So immediately we can go to the tens place. Tens. Okay, tens place. So here, see here in the tens place we are having 6 here and here it is 5. So 6 is greater or 5 is greater? Obviously 6 is greater. So we can easily find out a greater number. Okay, 160 is greater than 150. Okay, in the same way, if we have in hundreds also the same digit is given. For example, 160 and 164. 160 and 164. So in hundreds the same digit and in tens also the same digit. Then we have to move to the ones place. So ones place. In the ones, which is more number here? 0 is more or 4 is greater? Which is greater here? Obviously 4 is greater. So easily we can identify it as 160 is less than 164. Okay, 160 is less than 164. Okay. Okay. Now the fifth one is if at all both the numbers are same, like 530 and 530. Here both the numbers are same. So what we can write here? In hundreds place same, tens and ones. Hundreds same, tens, ones. What we can write here? Is equal to, okay, 350 is equal to 530 is equals to 530. Okay, I hope you all understood greater, less than and is equals to. If the number is more, like 61 is greater than 51 or 51 is less than 61. Okay, the number is same, we can write 51 is equals to 51. Okay, I hope you all understood this greater and smaller numbers. Now let's go into the next topic. Okay, the next topic is ascending and descending order. Okay, what is ascending and what is descending, we'll see now. See, for example, I'll be writing few numbers, just observe. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. Okay, 117, 15, 114, 113, 112, 111. Okay, so here I have drew the steps. See the steps here. To make you to understand, I have drawn like this. Okay, so 111, 12, after 12, 13, after 13, 14, 15, 16. So the numbers are going up, right? Now what the numbers are? See, 116, 115, 114, 13, 12, 11. What the numbers are? Coming down. Okay. So ascending is going up. Descending is going down. So ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending. Descending. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending. So ascending means from smaller number to greater number is ascending. From greater number to smaller number is descending. Okay. From smaller number to greater number going upwards is ascending. From greater number to smaller number coming down is called descending order. Okay. Let's see some examples now. 230, 235, 238. Okay, so these numbers are in ascending or descending. See, the numbers are going up. 30, after that 35, after 35, 38. So we have to mention, write as 230 less than 235 less than 238. So this is ascending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Okay. Now we will see one more example. 238, 235, 230. So now the words are from greater number to smaller number. So we have to write like 238 greater than 235 greater than 230. So this is descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. O-R-D-E-R. Okay. I hope you all understood. We'll do one more sum. 55, 63, 48. So here it is like jumble. See, 55, 63. Which is a greater number here? 63 is a greater number. Right. So we have to write this in ascending order. So what will come first? 8 less than. Next, what is lesser? 40. 40. After that, 55 less than 55 less than 63. So this is called ascending order. So we will see one more sum for descending order. 51, 100, 810, 167. So here also it is not in an order. Okay, now we will find descending order. So first higher number, that is greater number, 810 greater than, what is the next greater number? 167. So 167 greater than 100 greater than 51. So this is ascending and this is descending. Okay, hope you all understood this one. Okay, the next topic is ordering. O-R-D-E-R-I-N-G, ordering. Okay, ordering is nothing but arranging the given digits into different forms. Okay, for example, I have given 2 and 7 here. Okay, we have to arrange these two numbers, okay, into different possible forms. For example, see here, possible numbers like 2 and 7, 27, we can form a new number with these two numbers itself, okay. And 7 2, 72, 2 2, 22, 7 7, 77. Okay, with these two numbers itself, we can form 4 different numbers using this two numbers. Okay, that is called ordering. If it is like a 3-digit number, okay, 4 7 8, okay, what we can form? 478, 487, 748, 784, 847, 874, 444, 777, 888. Okay, like this we can form different numbers using only 3-digit numbers. Okay, like a single digit number is given and we can form 3-digit numbers, and many we can form. This is called ordering. Okay, in this, what is the smallest number? 22 is the smallest number. What is the greatest number? 77 is the greatest number. Okay. Okay, in the same way, here what is the smallest number? 478 is the smallest. $478, 487, 748, 784, 847, 874, 444. So 478 is here and 444 is here. Which is smallest? 444 is smallest. Okay. Now the greatest number. See here. 487, 748, 784, 847, 874, 444, 777 and 888. So this is the greatest number. Okay. So this is called ordering. Okay. With this I end the session. Next class we will learn with the new topics. Okay. Thank you, children.